There's a main reason why I usually say don't get a custom build, and that is because if you build something custom, it's also going to be custom to adjust it. So I work with people that have now primarily HubSpot, but you have HubSpot, which is a very, very big CRM system. How do you like it? Shit, I don't get anything out of it. They're like, talk to this guy, Chris. He worked with us before. He helped us with it. I'll come in. I'll say, okay, what are you guys using for HubSpot? I'll look at it and I'm like, why are you doing this way? Why are you doing it that way? What's your sales process? And then that usually turns into a bigger agreement where then they say, will you come on and redesign our sales process? And then I'll work with someone, usually like yourself, that's running sales. And I'll say, what do you want out of your CRM? And you say, I want to see my 5 reps, how many calls, meetings they're making a week. If someone comes into the website, I want to automatically route to this person if it's above a $10 million business, or this person if it's in Texas, or whatever you want. I go in, I put in all the logic into play, give it back to you. You say, awesome, that's exactly what I wanted, and then I leave. There's a main reason why I usually say don't get a custom build, and that is because if you build something custom, it's also going to be custom to adjust it. And that's why a lot of people switch from Salesforce to HubSpot, because in Salesforce, you needed architects, engineers, to go in and actually write code and make adjustments. And it's very expensive, time consuming. You have to either have that person on retainer or a full-time employee. Versus HubSpot, it's drag and drop, right? So a lot of people like that aspect, because once I leave, you don't have to call me again and say, hey, hold on, we have this new field we want to add. How do I add it in the custom code? You just say, oh, wait, hold on here, drag and drop. I enter it in, hit save, and now it's in. So that's the only caveat I have to custom. I would just keep that in mind if you're thinking about building something custom yourself.